Hello friends, welcome to Extreme channel. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends and subscribe to Extreme channel. In my previous video, you have seen we have discussed about triangles and types of triangles based on their sides and based on their angles. Now in today's video, we'll be learning about angle sum property in triangles. So this is like a theorem. So I'm trying to explain this angle sum property as a theorem to you. So theorem is that the sum of three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Now coming to interior angles means these. The angles which are inside the triangle, we call them as interior angles. To prove this theorem, what do we have? What is given to us? We have given with a triangle ABC. So there is a triangle ABC that is given for us. And RTP, what is this RTP? RTP means what is required to prove. What we need to prove? That angle A plus angle B plus angle C gives us 180 degrees. This is the angle sum property we need to prove. So to prove this, we need some construction to do. What is that construction? We have to draw a line PQ through A. So here we need to draw a line PQ through A. And we have to make sure that PQ is parallel to BC. This is the BC we have, and the line which we are drawing need to be parallel to this BC. So we are going to draw like this. So we have PQ here, okay, and this PQ and this BC are parallel to each other. What are parallel lines and all, you know it. Otherwise, we have one more video on parallel lines and perpendicular lines. You can check that video. So we have drawn PQ is parallel to BC. Now what is the proof? Proof is that since PQ is a straight line, okay, the angle on the PQ is 180 degrees. This we know it. Since it is a straight line, the angle on it will be 180 degrees. So here it will be 180 degrees and also here it will be 180 degrees. So I'm mentioning this as angle 1, this as angle 2 and this as angle 3. So that means angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 gives us 180 degrees. Okay. Now we have to use the properties of parallel lines to understand the angle sum property. So now what we need to do is first consider PQ and BC are parallel. PQ and BC are parallel. So if these are parallel lines, we will take first BA, this AB as a transversal. AB is transversal. Okay, transversal is a line which intersects parallel lines. Okay, so if I consider this as transversal, can you observe this angle 1 and angle B? These are called as alternative angles, and in parallel lines, alternative angles are equal. Okay, so I can write it here, angle 1 is equals to angle B because they are alternate angles. Okay, this is one set of angles we get. Now, I consider same PQ is parallel to BC, but now here I change my transversal because BA and CA both acts as transversal. So I take CA as one of my transversal now. Okay, so what happens? So I write here PQ is parallel to BC, but now I'm changing my transversal. AC is the transversal. So what happens now if AC is the transversal? If I take AC as the transversal, angle C and angle 3 will be alternate angles. So which means that they both are equal. So I can write angle 3 is equals to angle C. Okay. And anyway, angle 2 is nothing but angle A, right? So I write them these as alternate angles. Okay. Now, if I take this as equation 2 and this as equation 3, I'll substitute this equation 2 and 3 in this equation 1. So what do I get? So in the place of angle 1, I'm substituting angle B. plus angle 2 plus, in the place of angle 3, I am substituting angle C. Angle C is equals to 180 degrees. So, from the figure we understand that angle 2 is nothing but angle A. Okay. So, I take angle B plus angle A plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. This is from figure. Okay. So, if I rearrange it, I get angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees, which is nothing but what we have to prove, RTP. So, we have proved that the angles, the interior angles in a triangle are equal to 180 degrees. So, we can say hence proved. This property is applicable for all the types of triangles. Like it may be equilateral, isosceles, right angle, obtuse, acute, any type of triangle. This rule is applicable. If you like this video, please like it and share among your friends and subscribe to Extreme channel. Thank you.